Welcome back to our 5th class for 6th standard computer science. In previous class we discussed about starting Flash, components of Flash. Did you understand that? Okay. Today we are going to see Flash CS6 practical class. Okay. All of you listen here. See the laptop. First this is start button. Okay. Listen here. See, this is start button. Click on the start button. Click on Adobe Professional CS6. Click on the Flash document. The new document windows appears. In top right corner, this is minimize button. This is maximize button. This is close button. Now, the main window of Flash software appears on the computer screen. Okay. In previous class, we discussed about components of Flash. Components of Flash. This is stage. That is stage screen. Okay. Next, this is playhead. This is frame. This is timeline. This is layer. This is properties panel. Then tools panel. All of you see the tools panel. Okay. Let's see now uses of tools. Uses of tools. First of all, select the rectangle tool. And then draw a rectangle in stage screen. Then click eraser tool. It is used to erase any part of figure. See the figure, erase the line. Okay. Then click on the text tool. Go to view menu, select the zoom in option. Then write text. My name. Okay. Is it clear to you? Okay. Then now let's talk about the animation in Flash. Take page number 16. All of you listen. Here animation can be created using Flash. At this stage we will discuss two kinds of animation on screen. First one is motion tween. Okay. Then second one is shape tween. Motion tween is an animation which movement of an object is displayed. Then right click on the shape. See the laptop, all of you listen here. Click on convert to simple. Then click on the OK button. Now go to insert menu, select the motion gate option. Motion gate option. Then take the line tool and draw a line on the stage screen. Then click the moving tool. Now you are in position to change the path from a straight line to a curved size. Curved line. All of you see straight line to a curved line. Then click on the control test scene. Okay. Test scene. Control test scene. Okay. See the picture. Okay. Then now click the insert option. blank keyframe. Put a shape above blank keyframe. Next, select the keyframe. 1 to 30. Now, click the Properties menu. Select the twin in shape option. Then, press Ctrl plus Enter. Okay. See here. Change the shape. All of you listen. Okay. That is shape twin. Okay. Okay, ma. Have you understood? Okay. Second lesson is over. Question answer we will discuss about the next class. Okay. Thank you. Thank you, students.